Okay, the 11th question out of 75th question, okay, till asked in NEET examination from units and measurement lesson is the unit of thermal conductivity is. You know, what is thermal conductivity? What is thermal conductivity? Okay, conduction is one of the process of heat transport. You know very well, isn't it? So thermal conductivity is the ability to conduct heat in solids. What is the ability to conduct heat in solid by conduction method is called, what is that? Thermal conductivity. Okay, so every material has its own nature of transfer of heat allowed to it. That is measured in terms of coefficient of thermal conductivity. So to know its units, you should take a solid material in the form of rod or slab, whatever may be it, okay, whose cross section area is A. Okay, one end is maintained at temperature theta 1, second end is other temperature that is equal to say theta 2. Actually these two ends are separated by a distance d. Okay, now you can say this end is kept under a flame. Under a flame. So what happened? Generally, this end under flame start heat energy. So this heat energy is transmitted to the second end. It may take some time t, isn't it? Without actual motion of the medium particles. Okay, this process is called conduction. So conduction required material medium for heat flow. Okay, especially it takes place in solids. Okay, so with what ability with which this conductor, that means solid material, transmit heat energy from this end to another end. Okay, that means the amount of heat transfer is directly proportional to cross section area of this, okay, solid material, and also directly proportional to difference in temperature between these two ends, and also depends directly on time taken to travel from this end to this end, and inversely proportional to distance of separation between, or distance of separating the two ends of this material. That means Q is directly proportional to A, proportional to theta 1 minus theta 2, proportional to T, and inversely proportional to D. So from this you can say, after removing proportionality constant, put a constant that is called K into A into theta 1 minus theta 2 into T by D. Here K is called coefficient of thermal conductivity of this solid material. Therefore this K is equal to Q into D by A into theta 2, or theta 1 minus theta 2 into T. So its units, you know, Q is what? Heat is a kind of energy measured in terms of what? Joule. Okay, into separation of distance, it is nothing but meter, by area. Okay, cross section area of this metal is nothing but as a meter square, into theta 1 minus theta 2, difference in temperature, it is nothing but Kelvin, into time in second. Okay, here to see one meter is cancelled, that implies K is equal to joule by, this is rearranged due to my face, in my face, what is that? Yes, that means time in seconds brought to first into meter into Kelvin. You know, this joule per second, it is nothing but power. You know, power P is equal to what? Work done by time, isn't it? Work is equal to what? Joule. Time is equal to what? Second. Joule per second is nothing but what I say? Watt. So I would like to replace this by watt. Therefore K is equal to what? Watt by meter Kelvin. Watt by meter Kelvin. Okay, so the coefficient of thermal conductivity of a material is defined as the quantity of heat flow. What is that? Quantity of heat flow normally. Quantity of heat flow normally. Okay. Normally per second through unit area of the substance per unit temperature gradient. That is called coefficient of thermal conductivity. So the units what? Watt per meter per Kelvin. Okay. Thank you.